Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Face ID settings grayed out on iPhone. So the first step is to go to your settings, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply go to accessibility. Now after that, you're gonna have to scroll down to Face ID and attention and enable the two first options. So you're gonna have to enable these options, and then you can simply go back and try again to use the Face ID and passcode. Now if this didn't fix your problem, you're gonna have to simply go to screen time. Then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to content and privacy restrictions and enable this option. So you're gonna have to simply enable it and then go back again and simply try again. Now the last thing that I want to show you is to simply go to general, and then you're gonna have to go to software update, and now you're gonna have to make sure to update to the latest version of iOS. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.